My name is Estefania Balbin. I am a bachelor student of chemistry at the University of Antioquia in Medellin, Colombia. Currently, I am a fellow in the summer fellowship program doing my research in the Professor Mónica Pérez-Temprano group. I decided to apply for the fellowship driven by the desire to face the reality in research of chemical science. I'm interested in knowing the research process, from the conception of an idea to make it reality, and acquiring the necessary skills to carry it out. The ICIQ international reputation and the opportunity to work with renowned researchers and innovating projects also attract me. I believe that chemical research plays a crucial role in solving today's global challenges, and the ICIQ offers an ideal environment to develop innovative solutions. Likewise, the possibility of collaborating with science of diverse cultures and enriching my international perspective will allow me to acquire the necessary skills to face the challenges of interesting connected work.